AOLO 60, great among the greats. Exofan's latest generation high-efficiency cone fan is designed with highly durable and corrosion-resistant materials. Manufactured with resistant polypropylene material, the 60-inch cone fan design provides high airflow while maintaining very low power consumption. Designed to improve efficiency and reduce costs, as well as being easy to install. Aerodynamically designed with the purpose of achieving maximum performance while powerfully converting high airflow, the AOLO 60-inch cone fan ensures optimal climatic conditions while offering extreme efficiency due to an unbeatable ratio between the rate of airflow and the energy consumption achieved. Saving on energy costs of up to 30%, allowing a quicker return on investment, resulting in a more profitable operation. Depending on your ventilation needs, the AOLO has a wide range of motors available, such as the direct drive motor system that has an automatic valve opening system to guard against asphyxiation. With over 35 years of experience, Exofan has positioned itself as a leader in designing and manufacturing its own technology across a wide range of durable and efficient ventilation systems. The carefully selected materials have been tested in the harshest environments, ensuring the highest durability possible. The AOLO has been designed in such a way as to make it stackable, maximizing the transport volume and significantly reducing shipment costs. The AOLO 60 has been tested at the Illinois University's BESS lab and is certified as one of the most efficient large-flow cone fans in its class. Its results-oriented design provides a highly competitive advantage in the ventilation sector. Conventional fans deliver a flow rate of around 41,400 cubic meters per hour, with an energy consumption of 34 watts per 1,000 cubic meters. The belt drive AOLO 60 delivers 64,000 cubic meters per hour with an efficiency of 23 watts per 100 cubic meters. With the direct drive AOLO 60, further efficiency is achieved with 63,800 cubic meters per hour and an efficiency of just 20 watts per 1,000 cubic meters. The AOLO 60 belt drive cone fan saves you up to 30%, while the AOLO 60 direct drive cone fans can save you up to 70% on energy use compared to conventional fans and reducing the carbon footprint of the ventilation system. A very ethical and profitable investment for your new project or ventilation system upgrades. Rely on Exofan's extensively studied and thoroughly developed energy-efficient systems, which keep you up to date with the latest market technology for a profitable production, both now and in the future. Major livestock facilities around the world rely on the AOLO 60 to increase their profits, thanks to its energy savings and excellent efficiency. Exofan, a whole farming world inside.